learned Pinyin, initial, and final. But here's something very special about Mandarin Chinese. It has tones. These are tones. Without tones, Chinese just wouldn't sound like Chinese. Tones help us tell words apart. Even if the initials and finals are the same, think of them like the melody that gives meaning to each word. So, Mandarin has 4 tones. First tone, second tone, third tone, and fourth tone. So let's go through them one by one. Let's look at the first tone. First tone is a high and steady tone. It sounds like you are singing. So we can pronounce it. Let's pronounce this character together. Ma, ma. Very good. And we have second tone. So second tone goes up. See, from 3 to 5 goes up. Okay, like you are asking a question. Let's pronounce this character. Ma, ma. Very good. And the third tone starts low and deep down, and then rise again. So let's read this character. Ma. So let's read this pinyin. Ma, ma. Very good. And the fourth tone is sharp and falling, like giving a comment from top to bottom. So let's read this pinyin. Ma, ma. Very good. Let's read them one more time. Ma, 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 ma. Well done. Let's read the syllables aloud and pay attention to the tones. A, 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 a. O, 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 o. E, 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 e. U, 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 u. Ü, 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 ü. Well done. Let's do the practice. Add the tone marks you hear. So, number 1,
不，不，
so which tones is last one? Fourth tone. 不. Very good. Second one.
好，好，
So which tones? Very good. It's the third tone. 好. Down and up. And third one, please listen.
麻，麻，
Which tone? Great. The second tone. Ma, go up. Ma. And last tone. And last one. Okay, listen.
七，七，
Which tone? Very good. It's the first tone. Qi, high but flat. Qi, qi. Great job. Now, I have a challenge for you. It's tongue twister challenge. We can tell here, as a mother riding a horse. This tongue twister is about a mother riding a horse. Now, please read slowly out with me. Ma, 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 man, ma, ma, 骑马 Very good. I will tell you the meaning of this tongue twister. First, mama. It means mom, obviously. And ma means scold. Ma, it means horse. So, mother scolds the horse. Ma, man, ma, the horse. Man means slow. So the horse is slow. Ma, mother, qi ma. Here ma, it also means horse. Qi means to ride. So mother ride a horse. So the full meaning is the mom is riding the horse. But the horse is very slow, so mom scold the horse. So let's challenge it. Now I will read faster, okay? 妈妈骑马. Great, and your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Very good. Let's try to read it faster and faster, okay? Are you ready? I will say it very fast. 妈妈骑马. Okay, now it's your turn. 1, 2, 3, go. Well done, well done. Okay, now let's learn the third part of Pinyin is Chinese syllables. So, in Mandarin, one Pinyin syllable is usually made up of 3 parts. The first part is initial, and second is final, and last one is a tone. So, please look at the word 猫. The initial is mo, the final is ao, and the tone, first tone. So we add them together, it's mao, it means cat. The second one is yu, it means fish. And we can see here, it has final yu and tone, the second tone, but it doesn't have initials. Yes, in Chinese, some Chinese pinyin is without initial. So, if it's without initial, it also can be a Chinese pinyin. It also can be a Chinese syllable. So it's read like yu. And the third one, 姐. It means elder sister. So the initial is what? Yes, this one, G. And the final is 耶. The third tone, we add them together, is 姐. Very good. And the last one is 二. See, we only have one single final and tones without initials. Very good. And I know that you have one question. Why the second character yu without initial, but why do we need to put a letter Y in front of yu, and where is the 2 dots? So here I have a note for you. When final yu stands alone, the 2 dots disappear. 2 dots disappear, and we add letter Y in front of it. So when it stands alone, so 2 dots remove, and then add letter Y. So we have this word, yu. And here, the letter Y is not initial or not final. It's just a letter to help you to read words more convenient. Because sometimes it will be in a sentence or in a phrase. When we read it, it can help us to pronounce it easily. And next is when final E acts as a syllable by itself, letter Y is added in front. So here we will see E stand alone, and we add letter E in front. So it's like this letter. E, it means one. And the last one is when U sound stands alone, we add letter W in front. So what we can see is 五. It means 5. Okay? Okay, let's continue. Let's do a practice. Look at this picture and read words aloud. Okay, please read after me. Let's read them one by one. 一 五 鱼 耳 鸡 猫 鞋 花 Well done. And the second, let's read them together. Pay attention to the tone, okay? First, 咖啡 Second, 可乐 Third, 烤鸭 Last one, 火锅 Very good. So we have the last part, and it's a very important Mandarin rule called tone sandhi. It's the third tone plus third tone. So when two third tone syllables are read in sentence, the first syllable turns into the second tone. So the 3 plus 3 sequence becomes a 2 plus 3 one. So let's look at the examples. The first one, 你好. Each word, they both are third tones. But when we read them together as a word, 你好, we cannot pronounce it as 你好. For more convenient, the first third tone will become the second one. So we say 你好 instead of 你好, because it will help us to pronounce the word more fluent. And the second word, 可以, they both are third tone. But when we read them together, it will become 可以. Okay. And the last one, okay, 辅导. So we read them together, it will become 辅导. Great. And here is the tips. Even though the spelling doesn't change, the pronunciation does. So when we write a pinyin, it's still the third tone. But just when we pronounce it, the pronunciation changes. Okay, let's read the following words aloud and pay attention to the change in the tone of the third tone syllables. Okay, let's read them together. 你好 可以 辅导 口语 语法 法语 了解 友好 雨伞 Good job. Alright, that's all about today's class for Pinyin.